National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland. This includes the city of Baltimore. Until 3:51 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Baltimore, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Parkville and Hampton around 3:29 p.m. Kearney, Rosedale, and Rossville around 3:34 p.m. Middle River, Dundalk, and Bowley's Quarters around 3:43 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nottingham, Hanover, Glen Arm, Ilchester, Henryton, Lovettville, Long Green, Riderwood, Woodstock, and Granite. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.